So this is our last picnic here in the beautiful area. We're pretty much in Santa Monica, very close to the city of Venice here. How incredible is that? Look at that, that's California at its best. Californian dreaming. Beautiful palms. That's how you need to start the day, with a bit of a workout here in the beach. If you're into biking, you can bike for miles and miles down the beach. Let's just head down this little boardwalk and onto a beautiful beach. And there's plenty of room for everyone. Incredible day today. Very little breeze. We're about 87 Fahrenheit, so it is warm. Down there, I don't know if you can see, there's an aircraft taking off from LAX or 2. And over this way, Santa Monica mountain range and Malibu in the distance. I think you can see why we love Los Angeles so much. It's beautiful. There we go, the lifeguards of LA County. That means always Baywatch to me. If we look to the right here, fabulous view of the Santa Monica Pier. What an incredible day to be here at the beach today. And the waves are huge. So nice.
But there is like my
A couple of years ago we did a video where we walked right up to the Santa Monica Pier up there. Which is a fair walk. Look at the surface, this guy's doing really well. Welcome back to beautiful Santa Monica. Stunning day. Just going to check it out. Gonna miss these palms. They're so beautiful. Food robots are all parked up and ready to go. Food comes to you. You've got a little keypad there, so you must have to enter a code. How cool is that? Look at the games that you can play. Look at that, how cool is that? Sightseeing, Los Angeles. Look at all them on the open top bus there, going to enjoy the sights of LA. And it's baking today. Beautiful butterfly there. I think the cliffs here are very, very spectacular. And look at that sign. I wish I could take that sign home. I hope you guys are enjoying day 13, our last day in LA, on this beautiful hot sunny Friday. We got a lottery win. How about that? There's 1, 2, 3 levels at the top, nice little patio area at the top. And you come out your gate there, and right on Santa Monica Beach. How cool would that be? They are incredible places. I can just sit out on that little balcony, do my editing. Look at the wonderful view. Incredible. These must be millions and millions of dollars. I like this one again. You've got a bottom level, 1, 2, 3, patio up the top. Wow. Now these people really are living the Californian dream. Look at that. What you can do in life if you have got money, eh? Back in '88, it's changed a lot now, but when we come to Santa Monica, we didn't really come along the pier. I don't know if it was open, I think it was closed. But we had some fries, I think, from that corner there. Yeah, I remember them steps back in '88. Wow. Can't believe 36 years ago when we first come to California, and we still love it now. Here's the merry-go-round or carousel here on the Santa Monica Pier, and there's the Bubba Gump. Some interesting facts. LaMonica Ballroom, famous LaMonica Ballroom, built internationally renowned ballroom on the site in 1924, and it was the largest ballroom in the world, floating magically above the sea. The famous Muscle Beach was originally located on the beach just south of the pier. It's obviously now moved to Venice. You can have your portrait done there. Look at the drawings, incredible. One, you can have your name on a grain of rice. And this guy's been there on the pier since 1990. Now when we look at this scene, lots of Californian songs come to mind. So lucky to be here in California. We've had a fantastic time. Heading back tomorrow. But how amazing has it been? And there's LAPD. We're at the end of the Santa Monica Pier. Dedicated an official Los Angeles County landmark, May 1975. Absolutely gorgeous day. Santa Monica Pier, constructed September the 9th, 1909. We're going to head back across the pier and back to the car. Santa Monica Pier, you've been amazing. We've loved it. That's it for 2024. Now this place at night must be unbelievable. Look at the donuts they've done on this intersection right here.